Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Susan Brown, Director of the Center for Better Bones. Today I want to talk to you about the top 20 benefits of our Alkaline for Life diet. Much of this material is presented in my book, The Acid Alkaline Food Guide, so don't worry, if you don't catch every detail of this video, you can go back to the book. Before we get into the benefits of the Alkaline for Life diet, I want to take a step back and look at the importance of pH balance to the human body. As you all recall, there is a pH scale, and all liquids have a particular pH. 0 is very acidic, 14 is very alkaline. The fluids in the human body generally must be neutral or slightly alkaline. For example, arterial blood has to be around the range of 7.35 or you actually die. So the body does a lot of things to maintain pH balance. Now the trick here is that by design the body is alkaline. Our blood, for example, must be a very specific, slightly alkaline reading. But by function, by how we work, by how we metabolize, by our daily activities, we produce a lot of acids. And as a matter of fact, scientists have calculated we produce about 70,000 millimoles of acid a day through exercise, through eating, through the production of energy. 70,000 is a lot of acid, but all of that acid, and that would really throw the body off, except that acid is automatically buffered or neutralized by the body itself. That acid is produced in companion with buffering agents. For example, when I breathe, when I exhale, I'm exhaling carbon dioxide. That is a form of acid. That is a carbonic acid. The point of this is while we produce a lot of acid, we neutralize and buffer most of that acid automatically, and acid never accumulates in the body. But there is one area where acid can accumulate, and that's what's important to us as nutritionists. That acid can accumulate from an imbalanced diet. And it sort of goes like this, that nature has designed, as we evolved through the centuries, we evolved on a diet very high in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, very high in minerals. And our system, our kidney, our pH balance is all genetically programmed to function on this sort of high mineral diet with many compounds that when we consume them produce buffering agents that help us handle any excess acid we might have gotten from eating too much meat, say in the past days when we were evolving out there on the Sierra. So acids can accumulate from an imbalanced diet. Indigenously, we had a very balanced diet through history, through evolution, but now our diet is very imbalanced, and there's kind of what they call an evolutionary mismatch. We evolved on a high mineral, nutrient-dense diet, yet today our diet is quite low in minerals, quite low in many nutrients, including antioxidants, and it does not produce the buffering reserves, the carbonates, the citrates, the ascorbates. Many of these come from vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds, and spices. Many of these alkalizing compounds, often in the form of potassium citrate. The RDA for potassium is 4,700. That's 5 times that of calcium. We don't pay any attention to it. No one gets it. If people got that source of potassium, which would be potassium citrate in the vegetables and fruits, we would find that we would alkalize. Nonetheless, the modern solution to this acid load, and the average person does have a significant acid load, perhaps 50 to 100 milliequivalents of excess acid a day, which is enough to do significant damage to the body. The way we can buffer this acid is what we call with the Alkaline for Life diet. And this is a diet kind of taking us back to a very nutrient-dense, high potassium, high mineral diet. This is a diet high in fruits and vegetables. We always say we're striving for actually 4 cups of vegetables a day or 5 cups of vegetables and several servings of fruits and servings of nuts and seeds, and even spices help to alkalize. The Alkaline for Life diet will allow you to help buffer these excess acids and keep the body chemistry in balance. The Alkaline for Life diet protects against the damaging effects of chronic low-grade metabolic acidosis. Even a small accumulation of acid every day, even 50 milliequivalents of acid, is enough to cause long-term damage, and researchers estimate even half of your bone and nearly half of your muscle can be lost over a lifetime because of this acid load, this small acid load that builds up day by day. So the alkaline diet is really important, and it can protect the body in many ways. Let me run through the top 20 ways the alkaline diet can protect the body. Number one is that actually this alkaline diet is very mineral rich, so it provides a very big buffering series of minerals: calcium, magnesium, potassium. It increases the mineral content of the body, which is so important to bone and muscle. Number two, the alkaline diet allows for efficient protein synthesis. We don't realize it, but the pH of every cell really has a big impact on how that cell works. Protein is synthesized in the body, and the most efficient synthesis is when the pH is ideal, when the blood is like that ideal pH range, and the tissue is at the ideal pH range. An alkaline diet can help you have more perfect protein synthesis when the pH is actually correct. It also allows, the alkaline diet also allows for more efficient energy production. It allows the ATP. Again, the ATP is very dependent on pH. It can survive if the pH is a little off, but it won't be as effective at producing energy. The fourth component is that an alkaline diet encourages bone formation and reduces bone breakdown. We here at the Center for Better Bones really pay attention to pH. It's very clear from much research that even a slight acidic tilt will stimulate the osteoclast to break down more bone, and it will tell the osteoblast to really stop building new bone. And this has been well documented by Professor Buczynski at the University of Rochester and many researchers, Linda Frassetto at the University of California. It's very clear that a slight acid tilt and acid load will reduce new bone formation and increase bone breakdown, something we really don't want to see. The alkaline diet also has a tendency to increase growth hormone and bone-forming osteocalcin. Another two ways it stimulates the body to build new bone and new muscle, actually. Directly, you can see increases in bone density. Several studies have actually alkalized study populations, change their pH, balance the diet through largely nutritional supplementation, but with a diet adjunct, and you find you can get increases in bone density. Interestingly enough, an acid load will cause us to break down muscle as well as bone. And so research by Linda Frassetto at the University of California, for example, has shown that if we alkalize the chemistry, if we have the components of an alkaline diet and pH balance, we can preserve muscle mass. We can actually really reduce and halt and even reverse the aging muscle loss. The kidney is one of the most important organs in the body, certainly very important to bone health. The kidney has to handle all these excess metabolic acids, all these acids that accumulate from imbalanced diet, and it's rather taxing on the kidney to have this acid components in the kidney. Even a strongly acid urine will damage the kidney. In fact, researchers say that you cannot excrete a urine that has a pH much below 5. You certainly can't excrete a 4.5 pH urine, or it will burn the delicate tubules of the kidney. The alkaline diet alkalizes the urine, and it helps to protect the kidney in that way also. Protecting the kidney, we also reduce the risk of kidney stones. Kidney stones often occur because we're excreting too much calcium in the urine. We excrete too much calcium in the urine very often because of the acid load. We get too acidic, the body has to go to buffer those acids by breaking down mineral compounds from bone. So taking out calcium and the anions and the compounds it's associated with, calcium and its buffering companions. We lose that calcium in the urine, and this can add to a kind of congestion of the kidney and the development of kidney stones. It's very clear that alkalizing will help prevent kidney stones. Blood pressure is another area where there's a lot of documentation favoring the alkaline diet. You might have heard of the DASH diet. This was a diet developed in the U.S., a diet high in potassium, low in sodium, high in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. This diet lowered blood pressure, and it's the very same principle of the alkaline diet. Remember, it's essentially the potassium citrate from the fruits and vegetables and nuts and seeds that alkalizes the body. We evolved in a situation, very high potassium intakes. The researchers speculate that in prehistoric times we probably had 10,000 milligrams of potassium. Today we get 2,000 or 2,500, even though our government says we should be getting 4,700. Blood pressure is improved with an alkaline diet. This diabetes also is a metabolic disorder where the body is struggling to maintain balance. An alkaline diet will help provide the antioxidants and other nutrients that can help prevent diabetes and actually control blood sugar. An alkaline diet, of course, is very limited in any artificial sweeteners and concentrated sugars. The connective tissue and collagen is also developed more successfully as other forms of protein are produced more efficiently. Collagen is also produced more efficiently with an alkaline diet. And cardiovascular disease and cancer, these all really talk about inflammation. They all really talk about oxidative damage, just by the nature that an alkaline diet has lots of fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds, whole foods. It's very high in antioxidants, and it is essentially an anti-inflammatory diet. This protects against both cancer and heart disease. You know, it's interesting, I mentioned here happiness. Happiness is increased with an alkaline diet. You know, they've done some fun research, and I reported on this in our blogs, actually having people eat more vegetables, and people reported being happier. I'd like you to just try that yourself. See if you don't get those 2 cups of vegetables for lunch, 2 for dinner, maybe even some for breakfast, those nuts and seeds, abundant fruits, and see if you don't feel happier too. The interesting thing in Germany is that they have started to study many aspects of the alkaline diet. And actually in Europe for years they've talked about the importance of alkalizing the chemistry. And one of the things these researchers have found that there's increase in the cerebral energy pools, that you actually not only give more energy to the heart and the lungs and the kidney, but also to the brain. You can increase the cerebral energy pools with this high fresh foods diet. It also, a lot of attention has been paid on how can we maximize exercise performance. And you know, when we do strenuous exercise, when athletes really work out, they produce a lot of lactic acid. That lactic acid not only causes pain the next day, but it limits their performance on those days. Extensive research has shown that alkalizing the chemistry with diet and also with supplements really helps to have higher exercise performance. And you'll see we have some articles I've written on this if you search our website carefully. Very important to maximize exercise performance and to prevent this after exercise kind of stress and strain, fatigue, pain in the tissue. This is exactly what I was saying, that you can reduce post-exercise stiffness and soreness. I am working out with some new trainers. They really put me through the paces, and they're amazed that even after a hard workout, I do not have pain or achiness in the tissue the next day, the day after. They say most people come in saying, oh, I hate you, I hurt so much. I don't have this because I've built up alkaline reserves. If you build up your alkaline reserves, if you have a nice, strong alkaline diet with proper supplementation, you should not get pain after exercise. The Germans also looked at back pain. They said, gee, if an alkaline diet, if alkalizing with high mineral compounds can actually do so many things, can it help with back pain? And sure enough, they have found that you can reduce the incidence of back pain and reduce the severity of back pain with an alkaline diet and alkalizing mineral supplementation. Overall, as I mentioned, one of the most important impacts is the alkaline diet is a strongly anti-inflammatory diet. What does that mean? It means it's high in antioxidants that allows the body to buffer all the oxidative damage that occurs naturally, plus all of the oxidative damage we get from the environment, from heavy metals, from toxins, from pesticides, from all sorts of toxic exposures. Even our thoughts can cause inflammation. An alkaline diet can help quiet that down. And finally, the alkaline diet helps to produce detoxification ease. We're all burdened with many, there are 80,000 chemicals put into this environment every year. A few of those are tested for safety. We have a burden of hundreds of chemicals within each body. This alkaline diet is, again, being high in antioxidants, high in ascorbate, really helps to facilitate the detoxification process in the body. These are the top 20 nutrients. These are the top 20 benefits of the alkaline diet. So now if you think this is interesting and you say, an acid load can be damaging. I wonder if my diet is enough to really put my chemistry in a favorable balance, then I suggest you get our pH test kit. It has the book I wrote on pH balance. It has the paper. It has eating guidelines. It has everything you need to do your alkaline diet perfectly. And if you say, gee, I'm doing my alkaline diet, but still I want to boost it, I need to alkalize more, the first place I start is with the Alkaline C. This is a buffered vitamin C powder, a professional grade powder produced under nitrogen, fully buffered, that we've used for decades to both alkalize and as our major electron donor, our major repair agent. So you could add this if you say, I really want to boost up, I don't quite have that pH correct. And the other agent I've used for decades is really this product that we call Relieve and Repair. This is a quercetin pomegranate formula, again, a professional grade product, plant-based, super potent as far as the ability to reduce inflammation, to reduce histamines, and provide antioxidant plant compounds. Try your best with your diet. If you need to add nutrients, you might start with these. Thank you very much. Have a great time, and I hope you all alkalize soon.